Welcome back to the channel. This question was asked by IIT JEE Main in the year 2020. Look at this integral. We have angle is what? We have angle 2 theta over here. Here also we have sec 2 theta. Now this I can break tan 2 theta in terms of tan. This also I can convert. Sec is what? 1 by cos. Sec is what? Sec 2 theta is same as 1 by cos 2 theta. And cos 2 theta we have in terms of tan. Okay. So all this inside bracket I can convert everything into tan theta. And then 1 by cos is what? Sec square theta. So we can substitute. If I substitute t equals to tan theta we have, and then I will get differentiation sec. Sec means what? 1 by cos square in terms of dt or du. Okay. So what is formula of tan 2 theta? Okay. Tan of 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. And similarly, sec twice theta is same as 1 by cos theta. So we have cos of 2 theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Let's use this formula over here. And this equals to, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert everything into tan. So 1 by cos become what? Sec. So I'll bring this up. Sec square theta into d theta upon, what is tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta plus here. Okay, here this is sec is what? 1 by cos. We have cos is this. Okay, so we'll be doing reverse. So we'll have 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So this equals to integral sec square theta d theta. So I will send up here, I will get 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, 2 tan theta plus 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, it is of the form a square plus twice ab plus b square. So I can write like this. This equals to integral sec square theta into d theta. This is of the form a square minus b square. It is of the form a square minus b square, means a minus b into a plus b. So I can write 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta upon, here I will get 1 plus tan theta the whole square. Okay, this one a plus b whole square. So 1 plus will go over here. This square is what? 1 plus will get cancelled. What we'll have? We have 1 minus tan theta into sec theta d theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Okay, because this tan square and 1 plus tan theta gets cancelled, we have this. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll substitute tan theta equals to some u. So let's substitute u equals to tan of theta. Therefore du equals to differentiation of tan is what? Du is what? Sec square theta d theta. Now this is sec square here, therefore this should be sec square over here. Okay, so let's substitute in this integral. Here we have 1 minus u upon 1 plus u into sec square. Here we have du. Now if you divide this by this, then what we will get is minus 1 plus 2 upon 1 plus u into du is equals to, let's separate integral of minus 1 is what? U minus plus integration of this is what? Log of 2 will have log of 1 plus u plus some constant integration. What is u? U is tan theta minus tan theta plus 2 log of 1 plus tan theta plus c. Okay, this is the required answer.